Welcome to Top Best Picks. The Best Sushi Kit is probably one of the most rewarding purchases you can make if you love sushi and want to explore the art of making it at home. This comprehensive kit provides everything you need to craft delicious sushi rolls, from sharp knives and bamboo mats to high-quality rice and nori sheets. This video will dive into what makes a great sushi kit, helping you choose the perfect one to elevate your home sushi game. Number 5. Delamu Bamboo Sushi Kit. This kit has everything you need to make sushi at home. It's perfect for beginners. It's made of high-quality bamboo, so it's durable and easy to clean. You can use it again and again. Check out the uniquely designed chopsticks. They feature a fun fish print. They're both beautiful and functional. This kit includes 2 rolling mats, a rice spreader, a rice paddle, and 5 pairs of chopsticks. Everything you need to get started. A downloadable beginner's guide is included with your purchase. It will walk you through the process step by step. This kit comes beautifully packaged and is ready to be given as a gift or enjoyed yourself. Order yours today. What we like? It's made of premium bamboo, so it's durable and safe to use. It includes all the basics for first-timers. Plus, it comes with a helpful ebook guide to get you started. If you are a beginner and looking for a simple, yet quality kit, this is the one for you. What people say. Bought this in 2017 and it has stood the test of time. I love the cute chopsticks a lot. Definitely make sushi making easier. For my first attempt at making sushi, this was a really nice set that included 2 mats, a wooden rice paddle, a wooden spreader, and 5 pairs of chopsticks. It was fun to make the rolls and delicious to eat, and I was very happy I got this set. The Delamu Sushi Making Kit is a fantastic beginner-friendly set. It includes everything you need for a sushi-making adventure: 2 bamboo sushi rolling mats, 5 pairs of chopsticks, 1 paddle, 1 spreader, and a helpful beginner guide PDF. The bamboo mats are sturdy and easy to roll on, making the sushi-making process a breeze. The addition of chopsticks, paddle, and spreader completes the set for a well-rounded experience. Number 4. Delamu 20-in-1 Sushi Making Kit. Get ready to create delicious sushi at home with our complete 20-in-1 kit. It has everything you need to make various types of sushi with ease. This kit includes 4 key tools for making basic sushi rolls: tamaki, nijori, and gunkan. Master the art of sushi making with ease and precision. With 20 pieces, it's a comprehensive kit. You'll receive bamboo mats, a bazooka roller, tamaki mats, a rice mold, and much more to help you create a variety of sushi. Don't worry if you're a beginner. The included guidebook provides step-by-step instructions, sushi rice preparation tips, rolling techniques, and sample recipes. It's safe and easy to use. All parts are safety certified, and the kit lets you make delicious sushi quickly and conveniently at home, saving you money. Enjoy making sushi with your family and friends. It's a fun and engaging activity that teaches new skills and develops fine motor skills in children. What we like? This kit has everything you need to make many types of sushi. It comes with a wide variety of tools for different sushi styles. The detailed guide makes it easy to learn. If you want to explore different sushi styles and techniques, this comprehensive kit is perfect for you. What people say. This sushi kit is perfect. Comes with everything you need. The bazooka is very easy to use. Just remember to spray with vegetable non-stick spray and wet your hand before touching sushi rice, as it will stick to your hands. I love the sushi tube. I recommend a very light spray of PAM for every roll, as without the spray it can be very hard to push out the roll. Don't be afraid to slightly overstuff each half, as it will compress. The roll cutting fixture is great and works well. Use it on a cutting board though, as you can mark your countertop without it. The sushi knife needs to be sharpened, but once done, it is all I use. It has everything you need to create stunning sushi: rolling mat, rice paddle, nori cutter, and more. But the real star is the knife. This knife is razor sharp, effortlessly cuts thin fish layers, balanced and comfortable. I've never cut fish so easily. Number 3. Delamu Sushi Making Kit. It's time to discover the joy of sushi making. This complete kit has everything you need to create delicious, restaurant-quality sushi at home. With 22 essential tools, it's easier than you think. This kit includes a bazooka roller, bamboo mats, and various molds for all types of sushi. It's designed for beginners and experts alike. The ergonomic tools and simple instructions make sushi making fun and stress-free. They're made with premium materials for durability and safety. The bamboo mats, bazooka roller, and chef's knife are built to last. A detailed guide walks you through every step, from preparing the rice to rolling the perfect sushi. 6 sample recipes are also included to get you started. Impress your friends and family with homemade sushi. It's perfect for parties, family dinners, or a fun night in. What we like? It boasts a convenient bazooka roller for easy sushi roll making. This kit has everything you need and more. The easy-to-follow guide makes sushi preparation a breeze. If you're looking for an efficient and fun sushi making experience, this is the kit for you. What people say. The Delamu Sushi Making Kit is a game changer for sushi enthusiasts, providing everything needed to craft delectable rolls at home. With 22 upgraded pieces, including a sushi bazooka, bamboo mats, rice molds, and utensils, it offers comprehensive support for creating various sushi types. Great Sushi Making Kit. We have made sushi twice since just receiving it, and it was so fun and easy to make for the whole family. We use the mats wrapped with saran for easy cleaning and the ability to make rolls inside out, the molds which work really well, the knife is sharp and makes clean cuts just wipe and wet as needed, and various pieces from the kit. This 22-in-1 set is a game changer for anyone who loves sushi and wants to make it at home. The kit includes everything you could possibly need to create a perfect sushi meal, from the bamboo mats and chef's knife to the triangle, nori, and gunkan rice molds. It's incredibly well organized and the quality of each item is top-notch. The sushi bazooka roller is a unique feature and makes rolling sushi easier than ever. It helps create even, tightly rolled sushi every time, while the rice spreader ensures the rice is perfectly distributed. Number 2. Fungyand Sushi Making Kit. This comprehensive kit has everything you need to make sushi at home. It includes 27 pieces, from a bazooka roller to a sushi knife, making it easy to create various types of sushi. With this kit, you'll have all the tools you need to make sushi in minutes. It's perfect for beginners and experienced sushi makers alike. Save money and enjoy delicious, homemade sushi. This kit is a great alternative to expensive restaurant meals. It's made from food-grade, BPA-free, and lead-free materials, ensuring a safe and healthy culinary experience. Plus, it's easy to clean. It comes with extra accessories like soy sauce dishes and chopsticks, adding a touch of elegance to your sushi-making experience. We're committed to your satisfaction. What we like? This kit is incredibly comprehensive, with almost every tool imaginable. It offers a wide array of tools to make various sushi types. It's a great way to save money on restaurant sushi. If you are a sushi enthusiast and want a complete set, this is the best choice. What people say. The 27-piece kit offers an impressive range of tools, including the bazooka roller, cutting mold, bamboo mats, musubi maker, nori mold, sushi knife, chopsticks, and sauce dishes, among others. Each component is thoughtfully designed and durable, ensuring seamless sushi-making experiences. From perfectly shaped rolls to neatly formed nori, this kit delivers consistent results with ease. This kit contains more stuff that I know how to use. As for basics, there are 2 rice mats. One has round bamboo stick and the other has a round and a flat side. The bazooka looks well made and probably works well, but I am not using it. The maki cutting device works well and the knife in the kit is sharp. If the knife is wetted with water, it cuts better and stays cleaner. There are 4 fun chop stick holders and a variety of molds for shaping the rice. This is a great starter kit. Number 1. Sushi Making Kit. It's time to upgrade your sushi game. This kit is made of durable solid oak and bamboo, ensuring lasting quality and a superior sushi making experience. Say goodbye to complicated plastic rollers. Its easy-to-use design ensures perfectly portioned sushi rolls every time, maximizing flavor. Everything you need is included: a maki press, bamboo rolling mat, rice paddle, engraved sushi tray, chopsticks, and more. It's perfect for parties or intimate dinners. Beautifully packaged and engraved with cherry blossoms, it's a thoughtful and elegant gift for any sushi lover or home chef. Make your favorite foods with ease and confidence. Our commitment to quality ensures a superior sushi making experience in your own home. What we like. It's made of durable solid oak and bamboo, unlike flimsy plastic kits. The design is simple and elegant. It's perfect for making perfectly sized sushi rolls. If you value quality, durability, and a beautiful design, this is the kit for you. What people say. Each item is wrapped and boxed. It makes such a nice presentation, and of course, I can't wait to make sushi. I tried making sushi with just a bamboo mat, which never turned out quite the way I wanted it to. Your Happy Place seems to have perfected a way for beginners to get pro results. The board is absolutely adorable and I love the quality of this product. Everything was perfect. I really like the oak maki press. The sushi board is one of the best I have seen included with a kit, period. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.